Biotechnology is an interdisciplinary field that applies biological systems and living organisms to technological and industrial processes to create useful products and services for humanity. The field is built upon several foundational concepts that enable the deliberate manipulation of biological processes. Genetic engineering. This is the core principle of modern biotechnology, involving the direct manipulation of an organism's genetic material, DNA or RNA, to introduce new traits or modify existing ones. This is achieved primarily through recombinant DNA technology, rDNA, and techniques like CRISPR. Recombinant DNA technology. This process involves cutting a specific gene from one organism's genome using molecular scissors called restriction enzymes and inserting it into a carrier DNA molecule or vector, like a bacterial plasmid, using an enzyme called DNA ligase. Gene cloning. Once the recombinant DNA is created, it is introduced into a host organism, e.g., bacteria or yeast, which then replicates the foreign DNA along with its own, producing many copies or clones of the desired gene. Genetic modification. The ultimate goal is to change the host's phenotype, observable characteristics, such as making a crop pest-resistant, like Bt cotton, or enabling bacteria to produce human insulin. Bioprocess engineering. To produce biotechnological products on a commercial scale, the genetically modified organisms need optimal conditions to grow and multiply. Bioprocess engineering addresses this need by maintaining sterile conditions, ensuring a microbe-free environment during large-scale cultivation, prevents contamination by unwanted microorganisms that could compete for nutrients or ruin the product. Optimizing growth. This involves designing and managing bioreactors and fermentation processes under controlled conditions, e.g., pH, temperature, aeration, to maximize the yield of the desired product such as antibiotics, enzymes, or vaccines. Bioinformatics. As vast amounts of biological data, like gene and protein sequences, are generated through DNA sequencing and other research, bioinformatics provides the necessary tools to store, retrieve, and analyze this information. This interdisciplinary field combines computer science, statistics, and biology to help researchers understand complex biological systems and identify potential drug targets or disease markers. Cellular and molecular biology. These fields provide the foundational knowledge for biotechnology. Understanding how cells function, the structure of DNA, gene expression, transcription and translation, and protein synthesis is essential for manipulating these processes effectively. Techniques like tissue culture, PCR, polymerase chain reaction, for amplifying DNA, and gel electrophoresis for visualizing DNA fragments are all derived from these core biological sciences. By integrating these concepts, biotechnology offers innovative solutions in medicine, agriculture, environmental cleanup, bioremediation, and industrial production, addressing global challenges like disease, hunger, and climate change.